Let me tell you how to make temporary tooth. So recently I lost my tooth and I have to go in a party as well as in a meeting. So what I did, I took one of this light, this, and one scissor and one for filing. So what I did, I broke this one in this thing, and after that I cut this one using scissors, and after that I made this kind of shape. Look, this kind of shape. So this kind of shape, and after that I tried to fit in my tooth, and I was not able to, so I used this filing to make the surface non-sharp, and after that I put that tooth successfully inside of my mouth, and I use the gum, the denture gum, but it looks normal and nobody can tell you that this is a fake tooth. All right guys, all the best.